Yeah. Rico! Now it's my turn. After I have to go, I'm going to say something to the video. What? After 3 years, can I say something? No. Nobody said anything. No. I know it's going to be cool. Hey, now we're gonna go off. Oh my god, now it's mine. No, wait, no, we're going off the edge. Now we're going off this big edge on skateboards. That big edge. Whew. Hey Michael, can you ride off the edge? Ride off the edge? The edge? Can you go off the edge? Yeah, I can go off the edge. Let's go get each other. What? What do you mean? Like go in your house? And play games? Ooh, I stuck the Alright, can you take me? Alright, point the camera at me. I go first. Caleb, can you put the camera at me? Right now we're going off the edge. If you want to ride. Now it's an actual ride off the edge. An actual ride off. Like I'll go to the car away from the wall. You're not riding a bike? You gotta like pop a wheelie off on it. I can't do that. Like a manual? Yeah. Let me try. Me and you go. You go first. I'll come second. Go. Now you gotta pop a wheelie off of it. We don't know how to do wheelies. Really? Like that? Oh, if you would have kept balancing, it would have been great. Yeah, if I went fast, I would have went off. Do a manual right here. Right now. There we go. Right off the edge. It's not a red stick. I'm gonna do it like a red stick. Oh, you see this is like a red stick? Why? Michael. He gets in range out like a red stick. No, do a straight drive, Michael. To make it. Why? I'm gonna do something after he's done right now. Bill, so it's going like this. Oh my god! I stuck the landing! Holy shit! And that was freaking cool! Aim the camera at me. Let me do this last trick off. This is awesome. This is freaking awesome. Do a kickflip off of it. Are you freaking crazy? Do an ollie off of it. Nah. Let's do a kickflip off of it. Don't touch the back of the board. Do a very 360 burial twist. I can't ride off this with the beach room. All you gotta do is just do a little push. I'm gonna push you. 360 burial mix twist. Yeah, baby. That's what I'm doing. Don't put your butt in the thing, Wade. There you go, go. Let's go off the edge again, move! Woo! I don't think you got all of that. Yeah, I did. Move! Mika. Boom! Freaking butthead! Boom! Mika went boom boom. Yeah, I went boom boom. I went boom boom in my pants. You took a poo poo? No. Well, if you did take a poo poo, I'd be surprised. Trent's gonna poo poo. Trent's gonna boom boom. I'm trying to get enough speed to get off here. Do a boom boom on your skateboard. Let's go. Do a 360 off of the skateboard. This one goes off this skateboard. My last jump. Give after this, I write that.
I'm writing over.